this video, I'll be showing you whether it's possible to activate a VPN on Opera GX mobile. Let's clear this up. You can try this on Android or iPhone, but make sure you're using the latest version of the Opera GX browser. Once you open Opera GX Mobile, you'll notice right away that there is no VPN button visible anywhere on the screen. Scrolling through the browser only shows gaming content, news, and tabs. Unlike the desktop version of Opera GX, the mobile app does not include a built-in VPN option. Even if you tap the Opera icon in the bottom right corner to open the settings, there's no VPN toggle available. Switching to private mode doesn't help either. The VPN option still does not appear in private browsing or advanced settings. The reason for this is simple. Opera GX Mobile currently does not support the built-in VPN feature. This feature is only available on the desktop version of Opera GX for Windows and macOS. So if you want to use Opera GX's built-in VPN, you'll need to use the browser on a computer, not on mobile. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.